Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. Today we're just gonna go on a nice little ride. We're gonna go explore downtown Miami. I got Black Cloud with us, and today, so let's just go have some nice fun and enjoy the nice weather while we're out.
That's a really good look on the bike.
It works, right?
Yeah. Especially with the backrest. It's a nice look on the bike.
It will.
You should get like a little flag to mount on the corner.
It's gonna be nice when, especially when I have to go camping with it. It's gonna like hold everything I need, especially with the huge ass bags I have. They hold as much as those.
Really?
Yeah, because they expand.
Ah, yeah. That's a nice color. It's the first time I see it with a light.
Oh really? You haven't seen it in the sunshine yet? It really reminds me of the old Harley Burgundy. Like the old, but it has a metallic to it, which I like more.
Even the bottom is nice.
You know, I'm all about ACAT and actually protecting yourself, but sometimes you just gotta ride your own ride and actually enjoy what you're doing in life. So going without the jacket every once in a while, it feels good. It's hot as hell in Florida, and riding without it just is so invigorating in a way. When you're so used to doing something and then you mix it up, it's nice. It's just something different in the general scheme of life. So, you know, mix things up a little bit, guys. It keeps you on your toes, and sometimes you might be surprised at how good things feel. Going along with the whole ACAT thing and the perception of people to motorcycles, I don't understand why normal people that don't ride motorcycles are so hated towards people that have loud motorcycles. I get that, like, it's loud and that can disturb you, but why do so many people actually go out of their way and show their frustration and their anger towards it? There's no need to be angry about all these things. In fact, I'm happy when someone comes up to me and they give me a little bit of a face of disgust that they heard me because my bike is so loud, because that means you freaking heard me. You heard me coming. You knew I was there. It brought your attention on me, so you know I'm next to you and that you don't run over me. Because whenever I hear, or lack of a terms, or in other words, don't hear a motorcycle come up to me, it actually scares the shit out of me, even when they're quiet, because I'm like, holy fuck, how did you get there? I want to know that a motorcyclist is there, because they're so unprotected. I want to know when someone is there, so I can look out for you. So next time you hear a loud biker, don't be too upset. Be actually glad you hear them, because you just might be saving their life. Oh, I want to filter so bad. This is where motorcyclists should be able to filter. And we're gonna get some gas, so be right back. And we're back on the bike, all fueled up. So now let's go ahead and get on down to Miami. Catch on 95 during rush hour, of course. Ramming speed. Now we're on the highway. We'll catch you guys when we get back off. And now we're finally getting off the interstate. Thank God. Although pretty much every single time I try to go out and get like really nice riding B-roll, and really just to get some really nice B-roll shots, exactly as he said, there's always so much traffic.
How fast is wet?
Gooch juice?
Huh?
Gooch juice? Nice and moist?
Fresh and sweet.
Is it sour like lemon juice?
Like a sour pancake.
Whenever there's a tunnel, you gotta take it. I was just saying that. I was like, whenever there's a tunnel, you gotta take it.
Have to. And if there's a cop,
I was sorry, officer. I didn't realize. Was I too loud? In my opinion, I think the Fort Lauderdale area is so much prettier than the West Palm Beach area. They've really cleaned it up. They've really made it so much better than what it used to be. And West Palm is actually known for being the bougie, the uptown, the upscale place to go in Florida. But then Fort Lauderdale is just really like modern and like it's heading in the way of Miami now, but it's still not as crazy as Miami. So like I prefer Fort Lauderdale so much more in comparison to Miami. But where are we going? We're going to Miami, because why the hell not? We got motorcycles. Oops! Missed the gear. I was like, ah! And if you live down in South Florida, everyone, that was a really well hidden police. Holy crap. And if you live down in South Florida as a motorcyclist, everyone always rides A1A. It's just the go-to ride. It's super simple. Everyone loves to do it. It's super chill. And it's beautiful, of course. But this time we're actually just going to chill back and actually take US 1 down. It's a little bit more of a nightlife and a little bit more of a city. So it's going to be a little bit more different, but we also get different views that we're not normally used to, but still going to be chill. So different types of things to see, different riding experiences, different people to meet, different people to see. Oh, this is actually kind of prettier. See, man, if you don't know your area, go out and explore it. I've never really truly been down here and seen this side of Fort Lauderdale, and you know what? It's actually really pretty. I'm glad I'm coming down here. This is nice. You really do. You just got to go see what your area has to offer, truly explore every single road, because man, there's things I didn't even know existed right now behind my apartment right now. There's a whole brewery right next to me, and I didn't even know it until a couple months ago. I don't know what the hell that dude was carrying. In case you don't know this, which I feel like most of my demographic will, but US 1 actually runs all the way down from Key West all the way up to northern Maine. It runs all the way through. Yeah. Yeah. The guy carrying the dogs. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's 2 dogs. Welcome to Aventura.
it bounced back. I'm like, what the fuck? Nah, I like it there. That way it doesn't roll back.
Work smarter, not harder.
I guess, yeah.
And now that we're also getting down into Miami, that means drivers themselves are going to be getting a little bit crazier.
Watch, I can lift the front tire off the ground. Watch this. Man, this blood dog. He came off the ground. He came off the ground. Fucking heavy bitch.
I'm so proud of you. You can fuck an 800-pound motorcycle.
Now you're gonna get into a woman.
Oh yeah!
Oh,
yeah! That's the worst mental image I've had so far today. Man, I want to start getting down into the like art district and really start seeing some shit. That's where the exciting stuff's gonna be. Let's see what's going down here. Miami PD. Another motorcyclist.
No sport bikes. He went like this to us. Stop.
Oh, he did?
That went like this fast. Hey.
Now the real question is, since I'm just going off of this by what I think, by where I think I am, let's see if I can do this actually. See if I can actually find the road that I want.
My ass has to be stretched. Switch juice, baby.
Semen young Ooh, super pretty down in here. Man, I sure do hate riding down through Miami, but it is pretty. One of those places you just gotta go. Never been. Super gorgeous down here. Oh boy, we are in Miami. Let the showdown begin. I have no idea where the fuck I'm going. Oh my god, I'm so lost in Miami. But that's the fun of it. Oh my god, I just have no idea where I am right now. At least I think. And there's the money. Wow, dude, it's been forever since I've been on a cruise, and holy shit, I forgot how big they are. That deserves a picture, though. When in Miami.
That water is so clear.
Gonna enjoy this. Be right back. Now, after enjoying the views, I'm going to get some coffee.
Have you changed your brakes yet? I should look at mine. There's a press the back brake like.
What's it like? Oh good, you found the horn button.
It's a loud ass fucking horn. Pretty loud. One spike's like,
We need to get train horns.
Going 100 miles an hour, if you have 4 of them and you press them, you slow down. Air brake, baby. Can you imagine? You put like 120, you blow your horn.
60! That's like some anime shit where like it shows like the shockwave. Woo, Miami! And there's all the big bucks right over there. He rides a scooter. He has no need to.
I wish I had like a tow hook rope.
Now we in Miami Beach. Every single time I get here, I get a parking ticket. So we're definitely going to try and not get a parking ticket this time. Right? This right here. That's why I don't like living in a city. 13 minutes to go 1 mile. That is not fun. Whew, finally made it. Let's go get some coffee. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell notification. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.